Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through the Golden Triangle area of Kingston, Jamaica. This is actually the Ligoni area. And this area is known as the Golden Triangle. It's actually in Ligoni. It's in the city of Kingston, or more specifically the parish of St. Andrew. Now this area, the lots are very big. In other words, you could buy a house, tear it down, and build apartment buildings. And a lot of persons do that. As you drive through, you're going to see a lot of apartments. And actually, this area has more apartments than any other in the Kingston and St. Andrew area. Millsboro is another area that has a lot of apartments, but this one has a lot more. Townhouses, apartments, what you could call gated communities. You see them on the right. On the left, it was actually 3 houses on this lot, on this land, 3 separate houses. And a financial institution bought all 3 houses, demolished them, flattened the area, and we're going to build a massive apartment building. But I'm not sure what happened, but it didn't, the project never got off the ground, the building part. Now look at this lot on the right. This is one lot. Just look at how big it is. Okay, it's on the left now. We are on Hopefield Avenue now, and this is a massive lot. You could easily buy that lot and put up a massive apartment building. Alright, so we're going to drive a little slow now, a little slower, so you can see all these apartments and townhouse complexes on this road. Okay, where you see this zinc fence, that's a new construction project getting on the way. Actually, it looks like it's on hold. There's so much grass growing up over there. Alright, on the right now is one of the top schools in Jamaica. This is Campion College. It's a high school. It's actually the number 2 high school in Jamaica. Immaculate Conception High School is the number 1 high school. Alright, so this is Hope Road now. So we're going to head back into the Golden Triangle so you can see more of it. But we're on Hope Road now, and we're going to turn on to I'll tell you the name of this road soon. Okay, turning here onto Donhead Avenue. And this is the Golden Triangle, and you're going to see all these apartments and townhouses that we keep talking about. You're going to see even more. And the construction or real estate sector in Jamaica seems to be doing very well, because on almost every road you go, you see some sort of construction, building construction going on. There's a nice sign, townhouses for sale. Alright, so we are going to turn right here now onto Hopefield Avenue and continue the tour. Okay, we're now turning right onto Hillcrest Avenue. Hopefield Prep School is on the right. It's a very popular prep school in Jamaica. Alright, so we're back out on Hope Road now. So turn right, we take Hope Road up to the Ligony area. Turn left, we take Hope Road down to Halfway Tree. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.